Now let's create a task. From the Teacher dashboard, you can create a task using the Quick Action section at the top. To create a task, click Create Task. The Create Task panel opens. In this panel, you can enter the task title and select the student the task will be assigned to. Next, choose a due date for the task. You can also add a reference, such as practice material or instructions, and include optional notes for the student. Once everything is filled out, click Create Task. After the task is created, it will appear on your dashboard in the Assigned Tasks section. To see all tasks in more detail, click Assigned Tasks from the left side menu. Here, you'll see a list of all tasks you've created. When you click on a task, a sliding panel opens where you can view the task details, edit the task, update notes, or delete the task. To mark a task as completed, use the round checkbox on the top right corner of the task directly from the Assigned Tasks page. Once checked, the task will be marked as completed. On the Assigned Tasks page, you'll also see a donut chart that gives you a visual overview of your tasks. The chart shows tasks that are pending, in progress, completed, or overdue. When you hover over each section, you can see how many tasks are in each category and their percentages. You can also use the filter on this page to view only specific task types, such as active tasks, pending, in progress, completed, or overdue.